Hi everyone, and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. In this video, I'm working on a drawing of Geralt of Rivia from the Witcher series. The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt is one of the most amazing games I've ever played, and this year, since I spent a lot of time practicing portraits, trying new techniques and focusing on tiny details like skin texture, I thought this would be a really fun idea to try. Geralt is such an awesome character. I decided to use graphite, using my mechanical pencil along with blending sticks and a small eraser. I used a white GellyRoll pen for highlighting, and I also blended a bit of watercolour. It was so much fun to try this, and I really hope you enjoy watching the time-lapse. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I had so much fun, and I would love to know what you think of this, so please be sure to let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.